This is the SOFIRN SE1 Pro. And it is, as you can see, an ultra-compact, wearable, everyday carry flashlight weighing just 0.74 ounces. It upgrades the base SE1 model by introducing a 90 plus high-CRI 5000K neutral white LED. It's also got an integrated RGBW tricolor front emitter and a magnetic quick release wristband system that we're going to show you in just a second. But all in all, this is a pretty fun little EDC flashlight, and I'm going to show you what it's capable of right now. First of all, let's just talk about my first impressions. This color is freaking badass. I don't know if this is like an off-white space gray. I don't know what the exact name of this color is. I actually just checked it out. This is the white MAO, which stands for micro arc oxidation. It's a ceramic light matte material. It also comes in a green and a dark cherry, but man, this white MAO is funky fresh.
Funky fresh.
You got the SOFIRN branding up front. You've got your power button here on the top. USB charging port here on the side. There's also a little loop in here for a lanyard. And yes, there is this kind of included lanyard slash keyring attachment that I think is really, really cool. Again, we'll get into some of these accessories in a second. SE1 Pro on the side. All in all, I'd say the design is really, really cool. It's super, super compact and tiny. And then, of course, there's the emitter up front. You got the white and the RGB emitters both up front. It's got a wearable design, and it attaches to this magnetic mount. You'll see this magnet right here. It just basically clips right in, and then boom. You got a clip. It's got the rubber on the inside to keep it from slipping around. You can clip it to your hat. Clipping it to a bag strap is not a problem. The wrist strap has a pass-through, so you don't have to rely on the clip. It actually goes right through there. I don't know if you can see that very well on the video. It's also pretty easy to, tighten up. You just cinch that down. Claspy clasper. It's got the magnet here plus a magnet here, so it holds into the wrist mount really, really solid. I'm not really sure how practical this is as an EDC, but it is an option. If you have an Apple Watch, you can also just clip it to your existing watch band. It works pretty cool that way as well. The magnet is actually built into the flashlight itself, so it's gonna stick to any metal surface, and it sticks pretty well. So you can clip it on with the clip, wear it around your neck on a lanyard. You can put it on a keychain, or you could directly stick it to something metal with the built-in magnet. This is a versatile little EDC flashlight. It does also feature last mode memory for the white and RGB settings, and it also has a physical electronic lockout. The triple click lockout prevents accidental activation in your pocket or while you're wearing it. That's always nice. You don't want this thing to pop off by mistake. Right now it is locked out, so if you hit the button, it's going to give you a little blinky blink to let you know that it's locked out. So you want to give it a triple tap to turn it on. And it's going to come on in the last mode, which currently is in low mode, not too bright, but it's also got the green indicator light up top. To cycle through the different modes, you can just hold down the button, and you can see it goes through all the different modes. In moonlight mode, you're talking 1 lumen with a 23-hour runtime. In low mode, you've got 10 lumens with a 6-hour runtime. In medium mode, you're looking at 60 lumens with a 1 hour, 10-minute runtime. And in high mode, you're talking 300 lumens with a 1-minute runtime. So when the light is off, you give it a single click to turn it on and a single click to shut it off. But if you give it a double tap, it goes into RGB color mode. So you've got your red light, and if you give it another double tap, it cycles through the different colors. That moves into green, another double tap moves it into blue, and then if you give it a triple tap from this mode, it goes into flashing red and blue signal mode. The cool thing about the clip mount is if you did decide that you wanted to clip it to like the bill of a hat, for example, it's not forcing you to pick a direction. So you can point this thing in any direction that you want, slip it into the clip mount, and it's just going to point forward. So if you're wearing it on your hat, you got a nice little headlamp. But then you can take this off, clip it to a bag strap, and completely change the orientation of the light to point the front wherever you want it. I think this is actually kind of a cool little system. These crazy guys at SOFIRN even included a wearable necklace. I don't know if I would actually wear something like this around my neck. It takes a little bit of effort to get the chain through that little hole, but it's not too hard. And honestly, this would be a fun little light to take with you on like a moonlight hike to make sure you don't get lost. Plus, it's also got that signal capability in case you do. All in all, this is a pretty cool EDC flashlight. The size is right. I definitely think that they sent me the coolest color. I definitely think the fact that you can flip that into color mode and then cycle through 3 different colors, plus you have a signal mode, I think that's pretty dope for a light this size. This thing gets pretty dang bright for a little teeny tiny flashlight. Look at how bright that is. Just another fun touch, it comes with this SOFIRN 16th anniversary coin. I love stuff like this.
Several days later.
Yo, call me Steven Spielberg because I'm doing reshoots. Hey, you know, the more I play with the SOFIRN SE1 Pro, the more I gotta say, this is a fun little EDC flashlight. I actually kept the instruction manual folded out so I could go through all the different figures and like play with all the different features. There are a lot of features packed into this flashlight. I mean, I can't believe that in a light this size, I won't mention any other name brands, but there's some other popular EDC lights in the community right now that people are freaking the frick out over. And this little guy manages to pack a lot of those same features into a light that's like a quarter of the size. Pretty impressive if you ask me. Ooh, we had to go back into dark mode. Check this out. You hit the button once when it's off and it turns the flashlight on. You know, very bright, by the way, for a light this size. But check this out. This little ring here is more than just an indicator light. Keep in mind the back side of this is a magnet. So if you stuck this to a metal surface, this would be facing you right now. Watch this. You hold it down, and that comes on. It's the red ring, and this stays on. From this mode, all you need to do is give it a double tap, and it switches modes. Now watch this. It's going to cycle through the different colors all the way through yellow, into the red. Whatever they call this, I'm not sure, but this is kind of a vibe. It's like a nice little mood, right? And then check this out. Another double tap, you go into red and blue signal mode. Imagine that you're walking late at night, you're riding your bike, you could slap this on your backpack and people would be able to see you and they wouldn't hit you on the side of the road with their car. Watch this last one. You go into a fun little rainbow mode. Science fiction. Again, this is just a fun little vibe for an EDC flashlight. You give it a single tap and it shuts it off. When you hold it down, it goes back into the last mode. Another double tap and you're back into red. I mean, honestly, I think this is a dope EDC flashlight. The last thing I would point out is that if you already have a ball cap like this from Wazoo Survival Gear, you know, this is a cap from Wazoo that comes with all these little pockets and things built into it, but one of the pockets that it has is it's got a pocket built into the bill. So you can open up this pocket, and if you have a flat magnet like this, man, my house is full of magnets like this. I just at one point was buying a whole shitload of these off of Amazon. If you have a magnet like this laying around, you can just slip it down into this pocket. Now check this out. It sticks!
Did you see that? It sticks!
So yes, the clip that this flashlight comes with is very nice, but if you just stick it to the underside of the bill of your hat, now it's protected from the rain, and then you've got a legitimate headlight. I mean, that is freaking awesome. I guess you could do something similar with like hook and loop and so forth, but it's magnetic. It's already got the magnet built in. Just use it. It's the SOFIRN SE1 Pro. If you're an amateur, go find another flashlight. This is for pros only. Links are in the description. Carry what you want.